Well, here is my 63 Ford Thunderbird. And I want to show you guys how the car looks like before I had it. It's a 63 Ford Thunderbird. And pretty much my project in this car pretty much almost done. I never say it's done, but almost. And this is the car was like this. It took me like 4 years to fix the car, so pretty much I got it done. Like I say, I want to put another video how the cars look like now, and that one is gonna be video number 2. This is video number 1. You can find the video number 2 on Jorge's 63 T-Bird. It's a Jorge, Jorge's 63 T-Bird. And just put a video number 2. And now you can see here's the engine. And well, check video number 2 and you can see how the cars look like now.